The 1987 Friedrich QuietMasters revisited. Just about a year later, with a better quality camera. I wish I could start these up for you, but it is still winter. It's only 30 degrees outside, so I'm afraid it's not happening. But my first time in like about a year, I was booked to work in this building, and I was happy to see these two beasts still kicking along. Oh wait. Wow. For some reason this one's unplugged. Well, you should have your stuff unplugged whenever you're not using them, because I heard the thing of energy vampires. There is such thing as energy vampires. But I am so glad that these are still here. These 22,000 BTU beasts. 22 plus another 22,000 equals 44,000 BTUs, as JK18 says. Alright, hopefully this wasn't too boring. I just thought I'd update you guys, showing you that these are still here. Alright, thanks for watching.